Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to design a lemon juice product label in Canva. Okay, let's get started. First, just create and then choose landscape label. And then add text, choose your text and then just type your word. And then customize the color. Like this. Adjust the position. And then go to element and search for lemon background. And choose that you like. Adjust the size and position it like this. And then go to element again and choose shape, circle shape, and position it like this. And then add text again and just add this text. And then just change the color like this. And then search for premium stamp and choose that you want. I will choose this one. Add text again and just type like this. Position it and then just search for logo. Choose as you like. I will choose this one and just adjust like this. Just suit your style. And position it like this. And then just search for nutritional facts. Choose as you want. And I will choose this one, so I will crop it. Position it like this. And add another shape like this and just add the text like this. After that, just search for barcode for the ingredients template and then just download your label and then upload it again. Then just add new page and then search for packaging, choose mockups and just choose your bottle designs like this. and then just apply your design like this, and then just position it. You can also duplicate it like this, and then you can also add shadow. Just go to element and then search for a shadow to make your design more realistic, and then just position it like this, and then you can also add the background like this. And that's it. You now have a clean professional label with a mockups. It's perfect for your product presentations or portfolio. And okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.